Hello, Kostas Albanidis here, and I'm gonna show you how we can create a video using Vinoz AI. Let me um, let me just open the platform and show you how we're gonna do so. Over here, uh, you see Vinoz AI, and I'm gonna just connect to my account. I'm gonna show you how easily you can create a script. I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna just paste the prompt, you see, to analyze this URL and to create the video script. Okay, I just want to keep the total characters under 1100. I want to keep it not longer than a minute, so that it's easier for someone to watch the video and see the whole presentation. I just copy all this script over here, and I'm gonna move here to Vinoz AI, and I'm gonna create the video. I'm gonna click, I can just click create video or AI video wizard. I'm gonna go with the create video to show you that over here I can select the that it's gonna be 16:9, and then I can start creating the video. When the platform opens, I can just select a ready-made template. If you enjoy a ready-made template, let's say I'm gonna select this lady here, and I can double click and have this scene for this template. Okay. On the other hand, I can I can create different scenes here and add different avatars. I can select the avatar, and I can even change it. Okay, I can change the sound, and let me show you here. You see, I have the avatars. I can select any avatar I want from here. So let's try to select another lady. Let's try to select, let's say, let's load some more to see that we have so many options here to select an avatar. And I'm gonna show you, let's try to select this lady, if you agree, or I can select any other of those guys over here and move on. Okay, I'm not gonna delay a lot. I'm gonna just grab the one of those new avatars, because all the time you're gonna see that new avatars are being added to the platform, and we got a great variety. If you leave the mouse over the avatar, you're gonna listen to the avatar talking and see how exactly is working with this avatar. I can select any kind of avatar that I want. You see, I have even the knees, and let's go on. Let's select. Let's try this lady over here.
Vinoz
Okay,
AI brings your idea to.
I'm gonna select here. I'm gonna grab here. We can use drag and drop. I'm gonna put here over here. I'm gonna make it bigger, and now I'm gonna paste this script that I showed you before that we created, and I'm gonna change the background here and add the background of the advertised platform. Okay, to this video we are advertising clipart AI, so I'm gonna select a background about that. I'm gonna upload my own background here to be the correct one. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just grab. Okay, I got the right one over here, and we are done. Okay, now I'm gonna select it, and we move on with this background. You're gonna see that we start bringing up the correct information, so that we're gonna have a video fast and easily. Okay, as you can see, we have the right background now. Now I'm gonna make a little bit, let's bring those captions over here, and I'm gonna select here this star and make them a sign. I'm gonna make them to look much more impressive and nice. Let's try, let's see over here. You see, we can select any of those. We can select anything that you enjoy. This one, let's try this one to see how it goes. You see, it's gonna be like that. I can play the video to see the subtitles, but I can even make them a little bit bigger. Okay, that way it's gonna be they're gonna look really nice. So let's try it. You see, we have the background like that. It's blue, and we have the letters with white. I can even preview the video before I generate it. Let's try it. Okay, so if I
have
play
discovered Clipsmate AI and decided to test its powerful, easy-to-use video creation engine today.
we can decide if we want to change it and select something else from here, from the rest of the subtitles. And let's say that we're moving on with this one. And even to this one, I can select to have a background. Okay, I can select, let's say, a black background, and I can make it look. You see, I can have it black, and over here to make it look a little bit transparent like that. You see that looks really nice. You see, so that it's not gonna be totally black, just to be a little bit dark. Okay. And I can select what color I want the letters to be. I can make it like that. So if I play it,
I have
you're gonna see
discovered Clipsmate AI and decided
that it fits very nice with the background and everything. So we got everything ready. I'm gonna just click to generate the video, and my video is gonna be ready. You see that I can create more scenes from here, and I can add more avatars and make it more complicated as a video, and have it, to have another avatar talking about the same opportunity, and it's gonna be more complicated. But at the moment, I just want to keep it simple. I just paste the script, and I move on. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, just click like and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of those interesting videos about creating with AI, or leveraging AI. You're gonna see a lot of free tools. You can even click the link to my description and try Vinoz AI for free. And if you enjoyed, you can just subscribe and use it even more for your projects. It's the best is always to try and be sure that this or the other program, or any program that I just show you how it works, to try it and see if it fits to your needs. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.